Hey,
how's
Bold
it going,
Force?
Yo. Yeah, so welcome to Daru Fest Winter 2025 edition.
And as you can see, Jeff and I are hyped. It's been an awesome event so far. And we just wanted to really show off the exhibition.
Yeah. So
before.
Yes. So the main objective of this video is we're gonna do the Lucky Chom Draw.
Yeah, we're gonna do Lucky Chom.
But we wanted to do a quick highlight, you know?
Yeah, we really wanted to like show you the table
So
and then
I'm
just
gonna
do a few highlight shots.
I'm gonna flip around. So yeah, show us, walk us through it.
So sweet. So here we got a collection of. So what's been happening here is we get guys from the community, aka you, to bring your builds. And we have them in all different stages. So we got stuff that's straight out of the box, straight out of the box with panel lining, and then we get to the cool entry grade stuff that we did. Really want to move that back there.
Yeah, he keeps like sliding, eh?
Yeah.
It's like doing Michael Jackson moonwalk.
And then we got some of the really cool machining Krieger stuff. So we decided to keep that all together. Like so wonderful work there, like Alessio's builds. Bit of a teaser for his nose spotter. Also brought in some like macro stuff as well, and Anthony brought in some of his builds. So we got the Pacific Rim, the Bracer Phoenix. Got his Valkyrie, got my Valkyrie, got another Valkyrie. You see with Macross we're starting to get a little bit of vibe here. Zenith brought his competition builds. So we got a lot of that kind of stuff going on right now. And if you're wondering why is everything shaking, because this platform shakes a lot. So I don't know if you're seeing it shake on camera.
So we're about like what, 6 or 7 meters off the ground there. So yeah, this is quite scary. But yeah, we're learning. Look, these guys are holding up pretty good, you know. So
yeah, they have been. Which is again just another reminder that if you're going to submit kits, always, if you can, please supply an action base.
Yeah, that'll be great.
And please also just make sure it's in a box, okay?
Yes, yeah.
That we can transport it in. But yeah, I mean, again, amazing builds here. Supreme Dewey brought some of theirs. Their master grades in, which look fantastic in person. Really, really cool. Also loving this high new, should I say? Yeah, and then we're showing off the championship.
Build off builds, yes. Yeah, but look, you know, we've got our build meet. Obviously, it's at the end of the day, so it's getting a bit calmer now. Yeah, but thank you to everybody that came to the build meet, enjoyed building with us. And obviously, for the rest of the Daru Fest activities, thank you.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Cool. And then I think, are you going to...
sorry, obviously, everybody that has like supported us here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I just want to check, are you doing a super cut?
No, maybe just like one cut, you know? Yeah.
Okay, cool.
We'll see.
Sweet. Because, now that you guys have seen a little bit of the show and whatever's,
and I was like, okay, we're ready for Lucky Chom now. Okay, so we've got two fighters in the ring. Come in. So
and also,
first, yes.
Just a thing to remind you guys that Daru win, I think is only today. Hey?
Yeah. So we got win with Daru-kun is only today. So it applies to online. So obviously, by the time you see this video, obviously it might be over already because the video's probably going to come out tomorrow. But we're going to find out the winner. So first, we've got two fighters choosing the kit. Yeah.
Here they are.
So this time, in the red corner,
it's Alessio.
So basically how this is going to work, we've got two fighters, we've got Alessio, and we've got in the pink corner, Mandy, joining new as a Lucky Chom. So each of them were tasked, okay, pick a kit as the Lucky Chom prizes. Yeah. And now they're going to do rock, paper, scissors. Best of 3 wins, and then that will be the Lucky Chom for the draw, that you're going to pick up.
So guys, so whoever wins here, hopefully you win.
Yes, cool. So come on through. Let's have the here as the backdrop, yeah?
Cool, we'll be quick.
Yes,
Sweet.
Cool.
Okay.
So
let me do my...
Who's going to be the referee?
Okay.
Come in a bit closer so we can get you guys in frame.
Round 1.
Yeah, and bring in that kid as well.
I'm going to count you guys, so I'm going to do like 3, 2, 1, go, okay? So it's like, okay, round 1. Fight. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Mandy.
Mandy wins 1-0.
Round 2. Are we doing best of 3?
Yeah, best of 3,
Round 2. 1,
best
2, 3. Draw. Okay. Round 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, draw again. Okay, so that's 3 rounds. That's going to immediately put us into sudden death, unless you guys both end up with the same one again. So, open your hands, shake them loose. No cheating, no cheating. Okay, get your hands ready.
Yeah, we've got live witness here.
Yeah. Sudden death. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Okay, this is a sudden death round. Okay, so just a reminder, you guys are obviously sending messages to us from the future. Let's see, I don't know, like everybody, I feel like the power of these two kits, maybe we have to change the kit out and it'll unbalance the force. Let's try one more time. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh
okay, my word.
These two, eh? What's it? Immortal Justice and the Galgoog. Come on, from G-Quarks.
Okay.
Who's gonna take it?
That's it. We're gonna go. No. We're gonna go into the street. We're gonna spar. You guys are gonna fight this out. No, I'm kidding. Okay, seriously, let's go. Let's go.
Okay,
are we ready?
Come on.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
What?
3, 2, 1. Ah.
Okay, so now it's 1-1.
Sudden death. No, it's sudden death because they kept drawing.
Okay.
So we had like 50 rounds. So Alessio's wins.
Okay, all right, cool.
Galgoog.
There you go. Galgoog has won. Okay, so now, Mandy, do you want to tap on the?
My tapping.
Yeah.
Tap for drama. I know it's going. Spin,
Okay.
spin, magical, win, wheel. No, I want to see. I never get to see it. Oh! Hey, very nice. Very nice.
Hey.
Congratulations.
Look at them, man. Come, you got your prize.
Zenith won the Lucky Chom.
Yo.
Okay, guys, I want you to do the Lucky Chom dance. But you and Alessio, Alessio, Mandy, come do the Lucky Chom dance.
So Zenith,
Careful.
Oh, okay, maybe.
That's the unlucky Chom dance. But thank you, I appreciate that.
We'll do internal dance. But yeah, Zenith.
Finish him.
Yo, thank you. Yo, Galgoog is yours from G-Quarks. Yay.
And enjoy it. It's such a rad kit, dude.
Yeah.
That's so crazy.
Yeah, now we don't have to ship or arrange anything. Like right here, the window.
Yeah, it's always nice when that happens.
Awesome. Enjoy, buddy.
Congratulations.
Yeah. And then until next one, guys. Yeah,
Keep-
Zenith.
Yeah, hold it up there.
What do you say?
Keep
Building
joy.
There we go.
There you go.
Aw,
Awesome.
really
Thank you.
cool.